Ready to create your very own online store using Dreamweaver? Let's get started. Launch Dreamweaver and make a new HTML document for your homepage, named Index. Start writing HTML code. We'll need the doc type, HTML, head, and body tags. Add a title greater than to your head. Switch to design view to visualize. Use less than div greater than tags to structure your site. Create header. Navigation, where your logo and navigation links go. A main content area and a footer. In your header, add your store's name and logo. Use an H1 tag for navigation. Use UL and LE tags for links like products, about us, and contact. For product pages, add div tags for the image and product details. Include descriptions and prices. Add a buy now button. You are able to add a working shopping cart by implementing add to cart functionality. Integrate add to cart functionality in your product pages. You can utilize PayPal. Add many pages and products. Test your store. Refine design and keep product pages updated to grow your online shopping website.